Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to make a rich and delicious French toast. French toast is a very simple and basic dish. Something real quick, still decadent on a special day morning. I'm adding half a cup of evaporated milk into 2 large eggs. Whole milk is what they use traditionally, but for a creamier taste, let's use evaporated milk or even half and half. To this, let's add 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Make sure to whisk it well. Traditional French toast is made with stale bread, but here I'm using brioche. You can use any regular bread you have, however. Brioche can absorb more custard as it is very soft and fluffy. I'm soaking each side for a minute. Now to the preheated and buttered pan. Each side will take about 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium heat. Flip it and add a little more butter. Toast it for another 5 minutes and that's it. Our French toast is ready to serve. As simple as that. Add some fresh fruits. I'm using strawberries and blueberries. You can use fruits of your choice. Your favorite syrup and some butter if you prefer. Add some vanilla ice cream to treat yourself. Sprinkle some icing sugar and we are done. Share this recipe with your partner for a perfect breakfast in bed. Follow for more videos.